In this video, we will guide you through the process of customizing a document to create a work breakdown structure. Let's set up the fields we need for our WBS. We'll start with costs, which are divided into two groups, estimate and actual. Within each group, we have material cost and labor cost. These costs are calculated from hours required and labor rates. We'll also add fields for reporting purposes, including start time, end time, and percentage of completion. Simply add the fields you need, and remove any unnecessary fields. If you want to change the title of a field, simply select it and edit the title. If you need to change the title of a cost group, simply tap the group name to select it. By customizing your document with the appropriate fields, you'll be able to create a detailed and comprehensive work breakdown structure that will help you manage your project more efficiently.